Hello and welcome to the Full-Thrive YouTube channel, where we believe that you can find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule, and that is working full thrive. Today I'm sharing with the freelancers in the Facebook training all about using the tool Loom. Loom videos are a powerful way to communicate not only to your clients, but also to your team. In this short video, I'm going to show you all the hidden benefits of using Loom so you can level up your business and create a thriving freelance business that you're proud of. Let's talk about the hidden benefits of Loom. This is going to help you no matter what you do, whether you're sending a proposal, you're doing an introduction email to somebody, you're applying to a job, you're sending feedback to a team member, or you are sharing work with a client. There are so many hidden benefits of Loom that I think are powerful for any freelancer. And so I'm going to share with you how you can use Loom, all the different kind of tips and tricks that you can do. You're going to have to get in there and dig in and see for yourself. And they're always adding new features. But these hidden benefits will also give you confidence when you're sending proposals. What I love most about Loom is how it keeps track. I get to know when they watched my video. In my email, when I send the proposal, it says, "Could you please hit reply and let me know you received this email?" About 50% do, 50% don't. Now, that statement came because a lot of people weren't hitting reply and letting me know that they got. So I remember I told you last time we talked about processes and I said, "Oh, I don't like not knowing." So I literally wrote, "Please hit reply and let me know you received this email." People do what you tell them about 50% of the time. But you better believe they all click on the dang video to see the proposal and the walkthrough. So if you I send my proposals on Google Docs. You might send yours on a PDF or through Honeybook or I don't know, through something else. It's hard to know when they've seen it or opened it up. But in Loom, they will tell you how many times and when they watched the video. So that lets me know like, oh, now they're thinking they got the proposal. Again, viewers can comment throughout the presentation. So if you are doing some feedback, or you are presenting work that you've done and you're walking them through all the work you did, viewers can leave comments. So that's a really big benefit, I think, for being able to communicate with your clients. Again, you can trim and edit, so don't worry if you make a mistake. You can fix that before you send it. Download, so you can keep track and save your videos. My gosh, they're so super easy to send. Loom has such a beautiful interface. You can put password protection on it if you really need to. And my favorite, we send a lot of videos, is that you can organize them. I'm going to show you. Here's just an example. There's a lot to look at here. See the folders at the top? Then you can see down below where I've sent like a lead generator, or I've sent an email or a brand script or whatever. And you'll see how, if there's been views. So this like huge thank you right there, the second one had 5 views. Or the Full-Thrive Academy overview had 7 views. Okay, so you can see how many times they've been viewed and when they were viewed. Guys, I cannot encourage you enough to say it in video. Really, you're going to have to get over the fact that you're nervous or like, oh, people will love it. I told you, people buy people. The faster you can connect, the faster you can build trust, the faster you can be endeared to someone, the easier it will be for them to say yes. And most of the time, you're held back by your own limiting belief, your own fear, your own stage fright, and all of that. And the truth is, if you have something that's going to help somebody, you need to connect with them so they can hear it. If what you're doing is powerful, if what you're doing is helpful, if what you're doing is valuable, then have enough confidence to be able to show up and say it in your own words. Say it with compassion. Say it with passion. Say it with like fierceness, whatever you want to say and however you want to say it. When I give feedback to my team on some work they've done and they want me to review, you better believe giving feedback in an email is really impersonal and can be taken the wrong way. When you do it in a video and you say, wow, you did a really great job. Can I show you a couple of things where I think we could have improved it here, or this is how I would have done it, or whatever it might be? My voice, my face, all of the things convey everything I need to say. So I don't think I need to convince you about Loom videos, but I will tell you this. I have had client after client after client literally remark. So that means it was remarkable that I used a video, that I introduced myself with a video, that I applied to a job with a video. I'm telling you, there's so many ways to use Loom videos, not just in sending a proposal. There are internal ways to use Loom. There are external ways to use Loom, right? There's so many ways, and as you get into it, you're like, oh, I can use it for this. Oh, I can use it for this. Oh, I can use it for that. I built an entire course on Loom videos and sold it. You can make money using Loom as your tool. So if you want this checklist and me to send it to you in a download, drop a comment right now in the Facebook group and just say, I want the checklist or Loom checklist, and I will personally message you. I'll send it to you in the DMs. I love talking to you guys in the DMs. It's been a lot of fun connecting with you. I want you to know that I am here every day, reading the comments, messaging you myself, getting more involved. I am leaning way more into coaching these days, slowing down on the copywriting so that I can spend more time building up this community, building up courses and programs for you. I want to give you the tools that you need to build a business that you're proud of, right? A thriving business that you're proud of, and that you no longer have to be proud of hustling, that you can be proud of thriving, and you can explain to your mother what you actually do. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found that valuable. Hey, if you're looking for more on how to be a full-thrive freelancer, find clients you like, do work that you love on your own schedule, check out our other videos and subscribe below so that you are always notified when the next video drops. Did you know we have a Facebook group called the Full-Thrive Freelancers? If you want to connect with us there, the link is down below. Click that. We'll get you over to the Facebook group. You're going to get to see free masterclasses, live Q&A, and a great community of other freelancers working to thrive.